Investing in whiskey. Welcome to Kinka Toys. Investing in whiskey, particularly rare and aged bottles, has gained popularity as an alternative investment. Here are key considerations to keep in mind when investing in whiskey. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Bottle selection. When it comes to investing in whiskey, bottle selection is a critical factor in determining the potential for returns. Rare and limited edition whiskey bottles, often from reputable distilleries with a history of excellence, tend to be the most sought after by collectors and investors. Bottles that are no longer in production or are part of a limited release are particularly appealing. Age also matters, as older whiskeys have typically had more time to develop complex flavors and are often considered more valuable. However, the reputation and provenance of the distillery, the uniqueness of the bottle, and its rarity are primary considerations. Investors should prioritize well-preserved, unopened bottles with full packaging and documentation to maximize their potential for appreciation in value. Age matters. In the world of whiskey investment, the age of the whiskey matters significantly. Age is not just a number. It's often a critical factor in determining a whiskey's value and desirability to collectors and investors. Older whiskeys, those aged for 15 years or more, tend to be more sought after because they've had more time to interact with the wooden casks, absorbing flavors and developing complex profiles. These aged whiskeys often command higher prices at auctions and in the secondary market. Additionally, they are perceived as having higher quality and prestige. However, it's important to note that age alone isn't the sole determinant of a whiskey's value. Factors like the distillery's reputation, rarity, and the overall condition of the bottle also play a crucial role. Storage. Proper storage is a critical aspect of whiskey investment. Whiskey is sensitive to its environment, and how it's stored can significantly impact its quality and, consequently, its value. Here are key points to consider. Upright storage. Whiskey should be stored upright to prevent the cork from drying out and allowing air to enter the bottle, which can degrade the spirit. Temperature control. Keep whiskey in a cool, consistent temperature environment. Fluctuations in temperature can cause the liquid to expand and contract, potentially affecting the seal and flavor. Darkness. Whiskey should be stored away from direct sunlight and UV rays, as they can lead to premature aging and undesirable flavor changes. Authentication. Authentication is a critical aspect of investing in whiskey. With the increasing popularity of whiskey investments, counterfeit bottles have become a concern. To ensure the legitimacy of a whiskey bottle, investors should employ several authentication methods. These include examining labels, packaging, and seals for irregularities or discrepancies, cross-referencing bottle details with official records from the distillery, and consulting experts or authentication services that specialize in whiskey. Additionally, provenance or the history of ownership can play a significant role in verifying a bottle's authenticity. Market research. Market research is a fundamental step when considering investments in whiskey. It involves in-depth analysis of the whiskey market, including current trends, historical price movements, and demand patterns. By conducting comprehensive market research, investors can identify which whiskey brands, distilleries, and bottle types are most likely to appreciate in value. This research can reveal insights into the preferences of collectors and connoisseurs, helping investors make informed decisions about which bottles to acquire for their portfolios. Tracking auction results, following whiskey industry news, and staying connected with experts in the field are essential components of effective market research, ensuring that whiskey investments align with market dynamics and have the potential to yield favorable returns over time. Investment horizon. The investment horizon, often referred to as the time frame for an investment, plays a critical role in investment decisions, particularly when it comes to assets like whiskey or fine wine. Whiskey investment typically demands a long-term perspective, spanning several years to decades. The value of aged and rare bottles tends to appreciate over time, as they become scarcer and more sought after. Investors should be prepared for the extended holding periods required to realize significant returns. The investment horizon should align with one's financial goals and risk tolerance. Diversification. Diversification is a fundamental principle of investment that involves spreading your investment capital across a variety of assets to manage risk and optimize returns. By not putting all your money into a single investment or asset class, you reduce the potential impact of poor-performing investments on your overall portfolio. Diversification can include investments in stocks, bonds, real estate, commodities, and other asset types. Auction houses. Auction houses play a central role in the world of whiskey investment. They provide a platform for buying and selling rare and collectible whiskey bottles. Whiskey auctions are typically held both in physical locations and online, offering a wide range of bottles from various distilleries and vintages. Auction houses facilitate transparency in pricing, as the final price is determined by competitive bidding, reflecting market demand. They also offer authentication services, which are crucial for verifying the authenticity and provenance of whiskey bottles, mitigating the risk of counterfeit purchases. Rare releases. Rare releases of whiskey are highly sought after by collectors and investors due to their scarcity and the potential for substantial appreciation in value. These releases typically include limited editions, single cask bottlings, or special blends produced by renowned distilleries. The rarity can stem from factors like a limited number of bottles, unique aging processes, or historical significance. Investors often track these releases closely, as they tend to generate significant interest in the whiskey market and can command premium prices at auctions. Insurance. Insurance is a financial safety net that provides protection against unexpected events or losses. It operates on the principle of risk pooling, where individuals pay premiums to an insurer in exchange for coverage. In the event of a covered loss, the insurer compensates the policyholder. Types of insurance are diverse, including health, auto, home, life, and more, each serving different purposes. Legal considerations. Legal considerations when investing in whiskey revolve around the sale, purchase, and possession of alcoholic beverages, which can vary by jurisdiction. It's vital to adhere to these legal aspects to ensure a compliant and trouble-free investment. Age restrictions. Verify the legal drinking age in your jurisdiction. Selling or purchasing alcohol to or from individuals below the legal drinking age is prohibited. Import and export regulations. Different countries may have specific regulations governing the import and export of alcoholic beverages, including whiskey. Compliance with these laws is crucial when buying or selling internationally. Licenses and permits. Depending on your location, you may require licenses or permits to engage in the sale or distribution of alcohol. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to conduct whiskey-related activities legally. Market liquidity. Market liquidity in whiskey investment refers to how easily you can buy or sell whiskey bottles in the secondary market. Unlike more liquid investments like stocks, whiskey can be less liquid, meaning it may take time to find a buyer or seller, especially for rare or niche bottles. Liquidity can vary depending on the brand, age, and rarity of the whiskey. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.